Today we are going to solve a question called Masha and beautiful tree. This is a Codeforces question. So the question is basically asking this question. So you will be given a complete binary tree and sort it. And if you can sort it, return in how many steps can you solve it. If you can't solve it, return negative one. So let me give you basic pointers in this question in shorter phase. Given leaves of a complete binary tree from left to right. Masha considers a tree beautiful if the values in its leaves are ordered from left to right in increasing order. A complete binary tree of height n is a rooted tree such that every vertex except the leaves has exactly two suns, and the length of the path from the root to any of the leaves is n. In one operation, Masha can choose any non-leaf vertex of the tree and swap its left and right suns along with their subtrees. This is the question. So we will be given a binary tree like this, and you are required to sort it. So in one operation, you can choose one vertex and you can swap children of it. And your final goal is to sort in increasing order. So in this case, you can make it as like 1, 2, 4, 5, because you cannot swap 5 and 2. In this case, you cannot also make it 3, 6, 7, 8. You cannot sort it because you cannot make it, you cannot swap between 7 and 6. So this is the main problem. That means you cannot sort it. So in another terms, the question is asking us when you merge, so you cannot merge it iteratively. So if you're familiar with merge sort, so on the merging step, you cannot merge them iteratively. So you can only compare the first value of the array and you can swap all of the array, not iteratively. So that means on this step you can make it 1, 5, 2, 4 or 2, 4, 1, 5. And in this case, you can only make it 3, 5, 6, 8 or 6, 8, 3, 7. So you cannot make it like 1, 2, 4, 5 because you cannot swap 5 and 4 because 5 and 4 belongs to different vertices. So let us see another example. So for example, we have given this binary tree and we're going to sort it, and we come to this vertex and 7 is less than 8, so it is sorted, and we come to this and 4 is greater than 3, so we have to swap them. So we will swap them, then it will become 3, 4, 3 and 4, and then we come to this vertex and 1 is less than 2 and 5 is less than 6, so it is sorted, right? So then as you can see, it is not increasing from left to right, so we have to swap the children of this with this. So in order to do this, in order to swap this vertex and this vertex, we have to choose this vertex. So we choose this vertex, choose this vertex, and we will swap this and this. Then it will become like 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 4, and 7, 8. It will become like this. So that means we cannot swap 3, 4, and 5, 6. So that means we cannot swap it, we cannot sort it. So that we have to return negative 1. Good. In another words, the question is asking, you cannot merge iteratively. This is the question. 7, 8, 4, 3, 1, 2, 6, 5. You have given this, and you cannot merge them iteratively. So in another example, so if you have given like this, then we will choose this vertex and this vertex, and we will swap both values, then it will become like this. And then since 1 is less than 3, let us pick this vertex and let us swap these values, and it will become like this. And after that, we will pick this vertex and let us swap this thing to this thing. Then it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is sorted perfectly, as you can see. Now we have to return how many steps does it take to sort it. So let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we have chosen a vertex and we have swapped its values. So we will return 4 in this case. So here we have to customize the merge sort. So normal merge sort is like this, 1, 5, 6. Then we have given an array like this, and we can sort them iteratively on merge part, on merging part. On dividing and conquering part, it is the same. The only problem is on the merge part. So it will become 1, 5, 2, 3, and 4, 6, 7, 8. Then the normal merge sort can merge this array can sort this array like this, but our customer sort cannot sort it because we cannot swap between 5 and 2 because they belong to different vertices. They are not children of one vertex. Okay, so our code looks like this. Then let us implement it. So on merge interval, we will only compare the first values of the array, and we will extend the array. There is no iterative merging part. So that's it.